Popcorn ceiling removal is arguably one of the messiest projects you can undertake in your home. The clean strip system has allowed us to virtually eliminate the mess commonly associated with popcorn removal, as well as provide a safer work environment for our crew. Attachable telescoping poles allow our guys to scrape typical ceiling elevations without the use of step ladders. As the popcorn is removed, it falls directly into a chute-style bucket, travels through a vacuum line into a catch drum equipped with a HEPA filter. The vacuum system actually serves to air dry the wet debris. This cuts down our haul-away weight by more than half. A job that typically might take 12 to 14 contractor bags, each weighing about 80 pounds, now can be hauled away in less than 5 contractor bags, each weighing about 30 to 40 pounds. I'm pretty proud of what we accomplished with the clean strip removal system. It's a super simple design that yields highly effective results in truly mess-free popcorn removal.